going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Today, we cold out here. See, a couple days ago, we were 86 degrees. Then it rained. And now, we are 28 degrees. Crazy. This is late March. What the heck is going on? Maybe Al Gore was right. He invented the internet for all. Who knows? Maybe we should be eating bugs like what Bill Gates wants us to do. Maybe. But anyway, that's not what we're going to do today. We're not eating bugs today, folks. We're going to eat up Chic-Ribs. Some of y'all are like, what the heck is that? Honestly, I cannot take credit for this. I heard this on a commercial from Outback Steakhouse. And I thought, might as well try it, because there is not one anywhere close to me, and I'm not driving to them. So, we're going to go ahead and do that up today, folks. We're going to hit it up with S&S's Signature Series Rub. It's the all-purpose rub. It's the salt and pepper rub. Use my code CAJUN23 to save you 15% off on your order. Trust me, folks, it's very good. I do not make any commission off these sales. No money goes to me. This all is to help you out, save some money. So, stick around. We're going to get right to it. All right, folks. We're going to go ahead and begin. We've got chicken thighs. That's what they use, so that's what we're going to go ahead and use. Now, theirs might be boneless, skinless, but we're going to go ahead and use bone in, skin on. Going to go ahead and make it a little more tasty. So, that's what we got here. Now, we're going to go ahead and take it and cut it straight down the center. You got two ribs here. One might be a little smaller than the other, but that's okay. You get more. Now, pretty simple. Go ahead, season it on up. You can go ahead and use a binder if you want. Worcestershire sauce, some mustard, some teriyaki sauce if you want. Heck, you can use pickle juice if you feel like it. But this is what we're going to do here, folks. Kind of keep it more Outback flavor. Patty Joe, you can go ahead and correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments for me, brother. So, we're going to go ahead and do it again. Find that bone. That bone's about here. Go ahead, cut off the rest of this fat that's hanging off. There we go. I'll do the rest of these off camera, and we'll pick back up when we're ready for them to go on the grill. Today we're using the Weber with Royal Oak charcoal. We're going to do it offset. Now, we're going to, like I said, do this indirect. I've got a piece of pecan wood on there for a little bit of mild smoke. We're going to go ahead and start putting the chicken down, skin side up. I will move the chicken around so that way we have even cooking. They will cook up a little fast because they are chicken. So we will monitor these. I will go ahead and cover this. So we will check this every 15-20 minutes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and move some of these pieces of chicken around. They still got a long ways to go, but that's alright. I got a lot of time to go. Alright, the chicken is pretty much there. So we're going to go ahead and remove the piece of smoke wood. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our barbecue sauce. Today we're using up some Saints and Sinners Kickin' KC barbecue sauce. This is the bottom side of the chicken. We're about 45-50 minutes into the cook. They smell excellent. Got that nice mahogany hue to it. Got a nice wood smoke to it from that pecan wood. Alright, we're going to go ahead and flip these over. Oh yeah, they look real good. Oh, that skin caught on there, but we're going to go ahead and flip that over. Still going to go ahead and make it look nice and pretty. Oh, this is going to be excellent, folks. Y'all going to enjoy this if y'all do it. Oh yeah, so we're going to go ahead now and pull these off. They're looking real good. Oh yeah, people. This is going to be some fine eating. So, we're all done now. Takes no time at all. So, let's see what these chick ribs are all about. Great flavor. Love the sauce. Love that S&S seasoning. They meld together greatly. But, honestly speaking, it's a lot of extra work, but not a lot of extra payoff. Gotta give it to Outback Steakhouse for thinking outside the box with this chick rib idea. But, you know, not necessarily. I don't know how many people are going to order it. If you want to give this a try, go ahead, do what I did. See what you like about it. But I'd probably just go ahead and leave my chicken thighs together, barbecue them up, and eat the whole thigh instead of cutting it into two. But you do you. You tell me in the comments what you think. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you, and have a good day.